Welcome back. We're in the loft today. We're going to be putting in a staircase. So we don't do this all the time. So we've probably only done 4 or 5 in the whole time of me, in 20 years. So we're only amateurs at this. So if you've got any tips along the way to show us when you've seen the video, drop them in the comments for next time. So we're just going to do top half of it from the loft to the first floor, because flooring down on the inside, it needs concreting. Then we'll put that one in after. So, and we've got this, so it'll go down, it goes down, then turns, then down. So we've got 2 bits of staircase. This is the top bit, the other bit's on the first floor, and then you get a new post which will go in to that side there, and then you just make it up as you go along. So all we did was customer measured it up for us and ordered it. So we just measured drop and length, and they just make it. This is by, what's it by this? Stairbox. And it comes with all bits. We've got all glues, wedges and everything, and the post that's been routed out. So it should be pretty simple, hopefully. So we've already been at it yesterday. We've got some little cutouts there for this to drop in. We haven't got any null posts for this yet. We're just going to have to put them in later. We'll probably be able to cut that in anyway there for that side. We cut this down here. We're a bit too wide, so we've just cut plenty off it. We'll make that in later. And then the post will sit onto this block here. So it'll go down like that and down like that. So hopefully we'll see if we can do it. Right, so this should fit on here. Let's just try it, then we're gonna have to glue it in, aren't we? It's gonna look like that. Yeah. So there. Yeah, it's gonna fit. Right, we'll get some glue on that first. This is a bit hard to squeeze out this stuff, but oh yeah. This is PU glue that they give us this. Yeah. Get this so make sure it don't fall down the hole at the back of me.
Be very careful, mate.
You get it lined up with there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've got this in, mate.
I know. Just make sure it's lined up with that tongue, so you ain't gonna. You lined up?
Perfect.
Yeah.
You ready?
So we've got these dowels. Holes are a little off-centered, so you need to just take some off, shave it like a pencil, and for it to go in. Number 1 in. Right. Yeah, that's in it.
Yeah. On to the next one. Right, I'm in your pocket.
You gotta make sure you don't. You gotta make sure it's got a router line on the other side of it. You gotta make sure you don't hit them too far, or it'll bust that out.
Oh, man,
Let's have a look underneath, Tim. Make sure I don't hit this line.
well,
Is it as far as other?
just another tap. Kind of took it, bloody blue. A little one. Yeah.
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 Bit of glue, yeah.
First step then. Which way does it come in from this side, does it?
That way.
That way.
Yeah. So put my side in.
Yeah. You in?
Yeah. You in? Do a little tap. There we go. Put some glue on here.
Yeah.
We'll get it all glued first, and then, because this takes, it don't go off that fast.
Takes a while, doesn't it?
inches in. Side piece, so it has little marker holes on as well, pre-drilled holes, so you can just slide them in there up back. So put this side in and it should, yeah, it's in. I've got a post down here for it to sit on as well, and then that should sit on this block work, hopefully. That's the plan. Yeah, I've got a big leg here.
Oh yeah.
We'll just twist it over my end a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're ready.
Yeah.
Needs to go towards the wall though, don't we?
Are you in holes there, yeah?
Yeah, but I'm not touching.
What do you mean? Does it need to go back your way?
No, it's not touching. It needs to go down.
Yeah, to me then.
There we go.
You on?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah, I'm on here.
Yeah.
Super. Right, so we're down at bottom. So we've got a few stud walls in luck as well in here that we've been putting in, and that's the staircase. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go around on the side. This is the one that's going in, and then this one joins in to there. So that end up there will go into that piece, and then the short end will fit in here. So we're going to try and get this in now. Hopefully it'll fit. We've measured it, cut these off because they're a little bit tight, and we'll build them in afterwards, and hopefully we'll slide in. Oh, we've also put another joist in here just to take it a bit further, because I left this short when we first built it because I didn't know what where stairs were going to finish or anything. Right, let's crack on and get this in. Oh, it's tight. It's so tight.
Yeah, because you need to keep bottom in.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go.
Trap your finger there.
Yeah, on that bloody thing. Oh no. You need to go back up bottom again. It's on
Yeah, you'll get that then.
that. Yeah, I've got it, I've got
Got
it.
it? Bloody wires everywhere, man. Oh, let me get these wires out of the way. Oh. Right, I'll go back a little, yeah?
Yeah. Just so it goes down past that. Yeah, yeah, we're good there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got it foamed in, that's gone off, that we did all that yes other day. And then we just need to pack up these, couple of mil under here. Do have a bit of a problem though. And then this is going to have a wall here. And I think we're having an half wall here. Just come up here, Tim. Show you this little problem. First that. Oh, yeah. Right, we're going to have to drop this back. Sort like that. So we're looking at 2 meters or more. So from your front of your step up, what we got there, if we drop it back to there, Tim. So that is
216.
216. So if we do it front of that step to there, we've got plenty. And what did we have? Measure what we did have. A lot. Same size as my head, I think.
I think you were there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
For your head.
So from there to there.
So that was 194 and a half.
Yeah, well short.
Yeah.
So we need that back. What we did is, so these trusses came made, look, and then we made the last 3, did we?
Yeah.
One. So we made the last 3, so we just run them in with these, look. But it's not right, so we're going to have to cut that back like that. It's not a big job. Tudge. Oh, we're just touching a bit. Let's go in.
Here we go. Yeah, it's down there. There we go.
Yeah, but that'll go up to that. But see that you're about 10 mil higher. Will it go up or is it touching? Just take a little bit out and we're good to go, aren't we? Right, what I've decided to do is I brought this wall up here and we're going to put a joist in from there to there which will support this, and that's how we're going to do that bit, because these are unsupported now in middle. So we're going to put a joist in and then this wall will take it. It's just the way it's worked out really. I think it's because it's chimney breast and what have you. That really should have been back to end of that, but it's just how it works out sometimes when you're going from putting a new build onto an old building. So we'll get this on and we'll put a joist on.
One of the UK's biggest changing holidays will find the right one for you. With interest-free, flexible payment plans, we're making holidays affordable.
So this is what we did other day. We've got a couple of boards on. That's a staircase we put in. We just started boarding up here. And then we've just put this. This is just going to go like that. I'll have some lights in there, light there. We've got to do all this. This board's just sat on at the minute. It's not, we haven't got that stuck on or screwed. But this is up in attic. So that's it, guys. I forgot to do an outro for this one. But yeah, next week we're going to be up there. We're going to be getting that loft boarded out, ready for it, plasterers to come and skim it. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.